only generation. And when you hate, then you bound to get irate. Yeah, madness is what you demonstrate. And that's exactly how anger wasn't operate. Man, you gotta have love, they will set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to love. You're
killing people, dying, children hurt, you didn't cry. Can you practice what you preach? Would you turn the other cheek? Father, Father, help us and from God from above. People got me questioning, where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? The love, the love.
just ain't the same. Old ways have changed. New days are strange. The world insane. If love and peace is strong, why the peace of love that don't belong? Nations dropping bombs, chemical gas and filling lungs of little ones. The ongoing suffering as the youth, the young self. Ask yourself, is the love really gone? So I can ask myself, really what is going wrong in this world that we live in? People keep on giving in, making one decision on the vision of the dividend. Respect each other, deny die brother. The war is going on, but the reasons undercover. The truth is kept secret, it's up under the rug. If you never know the truth, you never know love. It's the love, y'all. Come on, it's the love, y'all. Come on, I don't know. It's the love, y'all.
People killing, people dying, children hurt, you didn't cry. Can you practice what you preach? Would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us from God from above. People got me questioning.